In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix Windows Update could not be installed because of error code 214984296 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we can do is to click on the Start button and then go to Settings. Now from the list of options on the left pane, we are going to click System. Then we are going to click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Here we can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter by clicking the Run button. That will give you suggestions and recommendations on fixing the issues. So simply follow the on-screen instructions. And after doing so, do not forget to restart by right-clicking at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Next thing that we can do is to reset the Windows Update component. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click the option Run as Administrator on the right pane and click on Yes to open the command prompt with administrative rights. I have a command in here that or this will be posted in the description box below. Okay? So simply copy each command one by one and then just simply paste it from here and wait for the process to be done. So you need to simply copy each command one by one, paste it here until the process is done. Then do not forget to restart your Windows after the process is done from here. So I'm not just going to show you the whole process, but in your case, you have to perform all the commands. Then the second or the last method that we can do is to go to the Windows search bar and type services. Click on services under the best match. Look for the background intelligent transfer service. Make sure this is automatic for the startup type and the service status this is running. Also for the Windows Update service, so scroll down to the W section. Look for Windows Update. Make sure this is automatic and make sure this is running. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.